Welcome to our channel. You are watching Sargo Education. In this video, you will learn how to determine HCF by using algebraic formula. Now here see two examples. We do one by one and determine HCF. Do you know what is HCF? If you don't know, please go this I button. Here you will get link. And you can also find the link in this video's description. So we determine first expression. So we solve first math. Here first expression is 8x square yz square. We can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into x is twice time and y is once and z is twice. Again, here second expression is 10x cube y square z cube. We can write it is as 2 into 5, x is 3 times, that is x into x into x, and y is twice time, that is y into y, and z is 3 times, that is z into z. Now what is the common factors are? We see here 2 and here 2 is also common. Here 5, but here 5 is not. So we cannot took 5. We write common number is, from both we took 1 2 and x here twice time and x here thrice times. So x we can take x common as twice time, that is x into x, y here once and here twice. We can take once time highest, once time lowest, and z here twice time and here thrice times. We take lowest z twice time, that is z into z. So we write here 2x into x, that is x square, and y, and z is z, that is z square. So HCF is 2x square y z square. Now we use formula and see another math. Here first expression is x square minus 4. We can write it as x whole square and minus 2 whole square. Do you know what is the formula of a square minus b square? If you don't know, please see our previous lesson. We use formula here, that is x plus 2 into x minus 2. Now second expression is 2x plus 4. We can take common 2, then the term is x plus 2. And third expression is x square plus 5x plus 6. Do you know what is the term of? Yes, it is middle term. So we use middle term formula here. That is x square plus thrice x plus twice x plus 6. That is x plus 3, and after getting common 2 we get x plus 3. X plus 3 is twice, so we take common x plus 3 once and remaining x plus 2. Now we see what is common among of them. In terms, here it is x plus 2, it is x plus 2 and it is x plus 2. So in all of them x plus 2 is common. So we determined HCF as x plus 2. In this way, we can determine HCF by using algebraic formula. In our next video, you will learn how to determine LCM of algebraic formula. So keep with us and like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.